Puerto Rico has seen tens of thousands of reported power outages, and in North Carolina, there are already some evacuation orders being issued. All of this as Erin is expected to get even bigger. Overnight, Hurricane Erin got stronger, becoming a Category 4 storm once again. It is now moving north after a soaking weekend in the Caribbean. The storm went around Puerto Rico, but the island still was slammed by strong waves and flash flooding. Meanwhile, off the coast of St. Croix, the U.S. Coast Guard says 2 men had to be rescued from rough seas. And now Erin is expected to trek through the open Atlantic Ocean between the mainland U.S. and Bermuda. The storm is expected to stay over a couple hundred miles from the U.S., but the impact on the East Coast shores from those dangerous currents could still be deadly. And Erin is expected to double in size by midweek. That means that the hurricane's wind field will expand dramatically, and we could be seeing tropical storm force winds across a 400-mile stretch. Back to you.